a guiding light that mentors you through your journey of life. He is a superhero who makes your life a cradle of love and a comrade who stands by you at all times. Today, I have a privilege to interview our revered director sir, who is no less than a father figure for all of us. Good morning, sir. It is a pleasure
Morning,
to
मेरे
have
बेटा.
you with us.
Good morning, beta. I'm privileged to be, being with one of my daughters.
Thank you, sir. On the occasion of Father's Day, we would like to know you better, sir. Sir, my first question for you is what is the virtue that you have learned from your father, sir?
Oh, you are making me emotional. My father was a very disciplined person uh, who systematically inculcated so many values, not one. And I'm blessed to be his son. Today, when I'm talking to you, beta, I recall all those. Getting up early in the morning, that's what he trained us. It might be a laughing figure for many of us in today's generation, but he used to wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m. He would say, सुबह उठ से ही आपका माइंड फ्रेश होता है, आप अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो, आप फिटनेस पे ध्यान रख सकते हो. And I clearly remember, if it was a minute, often say, कुंभकर्ण भी इतना नहीं सोता होगा जितना तुम सोते हो. That was his pet dialogue. So we all brothers used to get up 5:01, and that habit is still date. Nowadays I'm now 60 plus, and I get up between 4:30 and 5 because of it. He taught us discipline in life is very important. He taught us hard work has no substitute. You have to work very, very hard. He taught us that honesty is the best virtue one can have. So he always said, be honest. He taught us always speak truth, be straightforward. So my dear little daughter, so much I learned. Whatever I am today, probably I am not able to follow even 50% of his all blessing in perfection. I try to. He is my role model. He is my God.
Yes, sir. These are the virtues which even I would like to adopt, sir. Sir, my next question for you is share the most cherished moment of your life as a father with our viewers, sir.
As a father,
With our
Sir.
viewers, sir.
okay. In the journey of being a father, there are both ups and downs. There are moments, when you are too occupied, you are too little to understand this. But when you become a father, probably you are professionally at the peak of your career, or you are making your career at peak. So time demands that you are with your profession also, but then time demands that you have to be with your family also. So parenting is best when you can have a balance of the two. There are a number of incidents again as a father which I cherish, but there are moments also which I missed out. But as a father, I still remember when I used to play, especially with my daughter. She was so chirpy. She would talk a lot. She was very bold. I mean, as young as about 2.5 year old, she was fearless. Would walk to any corner, and I remember that she wanted to go on the roof of the house, and I said no, it is dark, and she said, don't, Papa, hold my finger, I will take you out. I mean, that is the kind of courageous she was there. So I still remember sharing stories My son was very good in swimming as young as 5 year old, and I'm scared of swimming. I would laugh at his this naughtiness when he would go to the deepest and sit there, and then would come back. He would scare me. Probably that's a moment which I really cherish. I enjoy his fearlessness. Number of there, I don't know how to stop.
Oh, that is lovely, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, name a thing that you love to do as a father for your children, sir.
Any father would love to do anything and everything, and so am I. Anything and every. Remember, Indian father, Indian parents, both father and mother, they live for their children. They are ready to sacrifice anything and everything for their children. And I'm one of them. So I will do anything and everything. If it is, if the demand is not within the limit or not appropriate, probably like any father, I would also counsel my children. I would also make them understand the right perspective and then help them to, go on. That's the way I will go ahead.
Your children are so fortunate to get you as a father, sir. Sir, now we would like to know that which is that special trait that you have inherited from your father, sir.
I was sharing with you in first question, beta. There are numbers imbibed from my parents. I picked up multitasking from my mom, but I picked up hardworking. Probably I would say 24/7. He would work and he would say. Rest was not part of his mindset. He would say, as long as your system allows, system is your body allows, your mindset aptitude allows, and you have time, you must work. There should not be any waste of time. He had never watched even his movie in a theater. He had never ever visited, unless at the last stage we took him to some restaurant. He never visited to any restaurant. He would say that's a waste of time. He would be very happy with all family together, uh, taking time or working on some issue. So I would say I have picked up hardworking, getting up early. I would have said be straightforward, be honest, value for money. Most important, he said, never ever, never ever take financial help from anybody. He always said, आपका हाथ ऐसे होना चाहिए देने के लिए, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए लेने के लिए. I still feel so privileged to be his son.
So very inspiring, sir. Sir, my last question for you is, what message will you like to give to your children of IPIS on the occasion of Father's Day, sir?
Number one, my dear children, I would say feel privileged that you belong to one family. Feel privileged about your parents, your siblings, because they form that family. Remember, every parent is a role model, but parents also have their own limitations. As I was sharing with you, when you become a parent, you are also trying to be at the peak of your profession, and that's also very important because profession gives you prosperity. So sometime when your parents, your father, your mom are not able to give you time, are not able to pay full attention to you, it does not mean they don't want. It only means they have a little more important issue at that point of time. You need to understand that perspective. Then I would say, always, my dear children, remember they are your best buddies. They are your best friends. Do share with them anything and everything. If you hide something from them, remember that is something wrong you feel and that you should not do. Everything straightforward. You must go home and share with your parents. Take their perspective, how to handle those challenges which occur in your life. I remember when I used to come back from my school, my mom was also a teacher. When I used to come back home from school, she used to make me sit in the kitchen on that shelf while she's making lunch for me. She would ask everything, right from leaving home, going to reaching school, first period, second period, third period, eighth period, to come back. Now I realize how effective that was. She would probe me and she would guide me. She would ask for my action in a particular moment in any period. Like, for example, teacher came late and I was saying that I was talking to Abhay. She would guide. Probably that moment was the one you could have stood up and started talking to the class about that particular subject, or you could have opened a book and read something. So parents guide you only when you share everything. So take them as a role model, share with them anything and everything. Do not take them as wrong. Somebody tells you that his father or his parents or her father or her parent are taking look after him more than you. Do not undervalue your parents. Your parents also equally value you. Your parents are also equally with you. Probably at one moment they have been little more occupied at some other.
We will keep your wise words very close to our hearts, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us. It was indeed lovely talking to you, sir. Thank you.
Can I just add one more line through you? I want to request to your parent and every parent, be proud of your children. They are the best in the world. I understand you cannot make up every moment what your children desire, but make them understand your perspective. Remember, they will make you proud in their own future. God bless you all. Always stay healthy, happy, and blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I love my daddy, I love my daddy, I love my daddy, yes I do. Here's a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you, Daddy, for all you do. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, I love you. I love my daddy, I love my daddy, I love my daddy, yes I do. Here's a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you, Daddy, for all you do. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, I love you.
Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. You play with me. You dance with me. You sing with me. You watch movies with me. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. The connection never ends with your love. It's all here. There is no one like you in a million or in a billion. You make me laugh. You haven't let me cry.
You give guidance when I ask. You are a master of every task.
Daddy, Daddy, let me say, I love you in every way. I love you for all you do. I love you for being you.
Whenever I have any doubt, I Google my father to get the answer all about. Daddy, I love you more than the stars in the sky, more than the fish in the sea. You can do anything. You are smart and creative. You help me with my work. You also play with me. I love you a lot. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you. And send this little bit of love from my little heart to make you smile forever. My father is a sailor. My love for him is like a sea. Our bond is like an anchor, which is deeply rooted in the ocean bed where nobody can see. A dad is a person who is loving and kind, and often he knows what I have on my mind. Hold my hand, Daddy, and show me the way so that I can go out in the big world one day. Cheer up me, Daddy, when I am feeling blue. I can always rely on a kind word from you. You always pamper and teaches things with temper. You are the one who always run to make us win. My Papa is my superhero. My Papa is my best friend. I love you, Daddy, my dearest Daddy. You make me happy when I am sad. I want to tell you I really love you. When I'm with you, I am glad. You are so strong. You are so smart. Oh, Dad, you my hero.
Dad is a person who is loving and kind, and often he knows he is someone who listens, suggests and defines.
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी चाह.
Oh, I love you, Daddy. Together, we are partners in happiness. Ours is an amazing, exemplary, reliable bonding. I love you, Papa. I love you the most, Papa, my wonderful man.